People drink more than 1.6 billion cups of coffee every day all around the world. That's enough to fill up 3 big football stadiums and still have more coffee left. But where did this amazing drink come from? A long time ago, around the 11th century, there was a Muslim man from Ethiopia. His name was Khaldi. He used to take care of the goats. One day, he saw that the goats were acting crazy. They kept on running around with lots of energy. Khaldi thought, I wonder why. Khaldi found out that the goats started getting excited when they ate a certain berry. The berry was bright red. These berries were coffee berries, which are also known as coffee cherries. Khaldi decided to taste the coffee berries. He ate the berries and he got all excited and noticed that he had a lot more energy, just like the goats. And that is how coffee was discovered. Now, you might be confused since we make our coffee from brown coffee beans. Now, where do those brown coffee beans come from? Well, inside the red coffee cherries, there is a whitish colored seed. We take out the seed from the cherry and then we roast it. And that is how we get our brown coffee beans. After Khaldi discovered coffee, this yummy drink quickly spread through the Arabian Peninsula with the first farms in Yemen. Oh, and fun fact, since this drink was first an Arab drink, coffee was actually called qahwa. When coffee spread to the Ottoman Empire, which is now modern-day Turkey, Syria, Egypt, and some other countries, the name qahwa turned into qahwa. When the coffee reached to Europe, the name changed again from qahwa to kafa, all the way until the name changed to cafe and coffee. So, as you can see, coffee came from Muslims and was at first a Muslim drink. For a long time, Christians weren't even allowed to drink coffee. They thought that coffee was Satan's or the devil's drink because Muslims were drinking it. To the Christian world, coffee was a bitter drink of Shaitan. Around 400 years later, in the 15th century, Pope Clement VIII decided to taste a cup of coffee. He took a sip and he loved it. He told his people that the drink was so delicious and that it was not right that Christians could not drink it. Then he baptized or purified the coffee for the Christian world. This meant that all Christians could now drink coffee as well. Coffee is one of the greatest inventions that was invented by a Muslim, which made a difference in this world. Brother Khaldi was a true great Muslim hero whose invention made a great difference in this world. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward Brother Khaldi for his great invention and give him the highest place in Jannah. Ameen. And next time when you drink a cup of coffee, be proud that our Muslim brother is the reason why we have this amazing drink. Oh, and please let us know how you feel about our Muslim Hero series. If you have any other ideas, please let us know.
And have you ever wanted to make a big difference to help children all over the world? We provide everything we create for free and are committed to keeping it that way for millions of Muslims and non-Muslims all over the world. 100% of our operations are crowdfunded from our generous audience. We want to continue our Dawah mission, and we can do so with your help. All donations are tax-deductible and Sadaqah Zariyah, which continues to benefit you when you pass away from this world. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept your generosity, and may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala give you the highest reward to you and your family